How to change password on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, put it down in the comment section. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open TikTok or Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, go to the profile option down below. As you go to the profile option down below, go on these three lines that are located up above. As you go on these three lines, then go to settings option. As you click on the settings option, then click on security option. As you click on security option, there will be a first option of password. Now you can change your password over here by typing in your current password, then your new password, and then re-entering your new password. On the other hand, if you have forgotten your password, then you can go back to the screen, and if you have any account that is embedded in your Instagram account, then you can recover your forgotten password through that embedded email or phone number, or using your Facebook account that most people connect to their Instagram account. So this is how you can change your password on Instagram. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.